Hello everyone, this is Abinandon, your host. We bring you some of the most amazing inventions that will blow your mind. These inventions are so fascinating that they cause the desire to have them right now. We are truly excited to share these ingenious inventions that are already in stores or will be there soon. So let's have a look at each one of these inventions one by one. Visio. Let's have a look at this incredible invention called Visio, a handheld photo projector. After all the progress we have made, projection is still limited towards videos indoors, while ignoring the huge possibilities of outdoor projection. Visio has now made outdoor projection possible by projecting a photo quality image and freely placing it in the space. By combining the best of the old technologies and the new technologies, Visio can project pictures of exceptional quality in ways yet unexplored. Visio is an analog projector which is mobile, modular and compatible with 35mm lenses. Different artwork, messages and other images can be projected using Visio. Visio, the smallest yet the most powerful projector created ever. So guys, if you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. MRF MultiTool Survival Knife Card. Life is unexpected and sometimes things can go wrong. When nothing seems right, you can always trust on one incredible gadget. Let's have a look at this small survival credit card size tool which has functionalities of more than 60 tools. Having weight of only 38 grams and smaller in size that it can fit into wallet or card holder. This gadget can do incredible things. It can cut, open, turn, pray, measure stuff and a lot more. The best tool for true survivalists. Let's check out what else this tool is capable of. This tool is also fisherman's kit to catch fish. Plus this tool can be used as fire starter. Let's see what more can be done with this tool. You can turn this tool into wrench, screwdriver, bit driver, wire bender, can opener, box opener, scraper, sketch tool, and a lot more. TouchJet Wave. What if you could convert your television screen to a smart touch screen? Yes, you heard me correctly. Introducing TouchJet Wave that converts your television to a smart touch screen that can do pretty much anything. This includes watching movie, downloading any Google Play Store app, checking news on sport, social media platform, music and playing all your favorite games. Besides this, TouchJet Wave can be used in office too. Discussing your project with client using the interaction screen is pretty much everything your client needs. Do let us know if you want your television screen to be converted to a smart touch screen. Philips beard trimmer. Getting a perfect beard does not happen on its own. It needs special talent and assistance. Well, now it is possible to get perfect beard without requiring any special assistance and talent. Introducing world's first laser guided beard trimmer. Using this beard trimmer, laser guidance will provide you a precise symmetrical trim every time you use it. Perfect your beard with our exclusive laser guidance system. Follow the red line of light to get a sharp, symmetrical trim on both sides of your face. This incredible gadget comes with full metal stainless steel blades that are extra strong and double sharpened, long lasting and cut through even the thickest hair. Philips beard trimmer, making a perfect and precise beard now easy. And hit the like button if you like this invention. Have a look at this amazing invention that will help you optimize your smartphone with a genius active dumping case. 8 case uses the latest technology and modern design that will keep your iPhone safe if dropped accidentally. 8 case is equipped with sensors that will automatically open shock absorbers when your phone is dropped accidentally. Now your iPhone is more secured and protected than ever. 8 case, the coolest way to protect your iPhone. For now, this technology is only available for iPhone users, but soon this dumping case will be available for other smartphones too. So guys, if you like this invention, go ahead and hit the like button on this video and support this amazing Kickstarter project on the link given in the description. Number 4. Narwhal. Keeping your house floor clean and dust-free is no doubt the first choice of everyone living in there. But now you don't have to worry about your floor. Introducing Narwhal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop. A floor cleaning robot that does it all. Narwhal, featuring the latest and reliable self-cleaning technology with advanced navigation system. From small particles to tiny hair, everything is vacuumed by Narwhal. After cleaning your floor, Narwhal returns to its base station to clean and dry itself. Once the map is created for your house, that can be used by Narwhal repeatedly. Besides these features, you can customize the cleaning strategies and a lot more. So guys, do let us know if you like this invention in the comment section below. 1. BarSay. Guys, let's have a look at this amazing machine invention. BarSay, an automated cocktail maker. Meet your new best friend BarSay, the robotic bartender. Add drinks to the machine, connect it with app, choose from over 2000 pre-loaded drinks, or even make your customized cocktail. It does all for you. BarSay will automate the work of bartender. So guys, do let us know if you like this invention in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.